Bakshi, the pictures were very clear. There was no chance that anyone could have survived the crash that we are seeing on our screens. But the Indian Air Force now officially confirming that the pilot who was piloting this Tejas has indeed lost his life in this crash. This is tragic, tragic indeed.
That's right. It's very tragic. As you can see, as I was mentioning, the pilot had recovered. He had rolled out, and now he was he was going down, but was positive. All he was doing is trying to pull out of the dive, and he has actually mushed into the ground, as you can clearly see. Now, question is, why did the pilot pull back sufficiently? Or was he incapacitated? Did he black out? Was there any medical condition? Was there any jam in the control in which he couldn't pull the control back? There are so many things which will come up, madam, but the question is that will only be clarified until you have a full-fledged inquiry. Until we inquire, we are very sad to hear the fatal news about our gallant pilot, but that's all we can say. We can now give him honor by constituting a very independent inquiry or honest inquiry.
That's the entire point of an inquiry. You don't want your pilots to die in crashes like these, which is why an absolutely impartial, independent inquiry is required in the Tejas, given the fact that a lot of our dependence in the future is going to be on the Tejas aircraft, given the fact that it is made in India, given the fact that this is a symbol of Atmanirbhar Bharat. So you need an independent inquiry to ensure that such crashes don't happen again, and more pilots don't die. Sagarika, you're joining us on the broadcast. I believe we are officially hearing now from the Indian Air Force that is confirming the death of the pilot. Please go ahead.
Yeah, Shreya, you've taken us through the statement of the IAF, but this is the official statement that they've put out on their social media platform X. The IAF says, and I'm going to show you that statement, where they've confirmed the death of the pilot in the Dubai air crash. The IAF says, and I quote, an IAF Tejas aircraft met with an accident during an aerial display at the Dubai Air Show today. The pilot sustained fatal injuries in the accident. IAF deeply regrets the loss of life and stands firmly with the bereaved family in this time of grief. A court of inquiry has been constituted to ascertain the cause of the accident. So a court of inquiry has also been constituted by the Indian Air Force, and they're trying to find out and ascertain the cause of the accident. But extremely tragic. The IAF is confirming the death of the pilot. Over to you, Shreya.
Thank you very much, Sagarika. The identity of the pilot will not be put out as of now, because the first thing that you do, the first SOP for any force when it loses a soldier or a pilot, is that the family needs to be informed first, because the last thing you want a family to hear is news of a loved one dying from television or from the newspapers. So SOP will be followed in this case as well. It is the family that will be informed about the tragic death in this air crash of the pilot, post which the Indian Air Force will make the identity of the pilot available to all of us. So right now, even if we have the names and the pictures, it is not something we are going to put out, because that is simply not the done thing. A tragedy has happened for a country, for a nation, for all of us, but most importantly, a tragedy that a family will never be able to recover from. So that protocol needs to be followed, and here at Times Now, that is the protocol that we are definitely going to be following. I'm just going to recap for our viewers what has happened in the last 25 odd minutes here, Pratibha. The pictures that you're seeing on our screens of a crash is actually a Tejas aircraft crashing at the Dubai Air Show. There were 3 Tejas that were part of the display, 2 part of the aerial display, 1 part of the static display. One of the planes takes off for an aerial display. The pictures are very clear. This was a low-level maneuver, a low-altitude flying that was taking place. The pilot tries to maneuver the plane to the left. The next thing you see, the next set of pictures you see, is the Tejas actually nosedive and simply merge into the ground and then turn into a ball of fire. Now, what caused this accident is something that will be investigated. A court of inquiry is already underway. But I can tell you that this is only the